yes I want. I can do it for sure. I can make money, I can freestyle this like this. Yes I can be, I can do it for sure. I'm the best rapper, I can tell you to your face that I really am. I'm the best in the game, yes I am. I'm beyond around, and I'm a new rapper in a way. I'm a new rapper, yes I said it twice. Yes I did it right now. I'm the yes, I can do it for sure. And it's nice that I'm playing this game. It's like this, yes, I can rap for sure. I cannot stop, I'm rapping, I'm hot. I'm doing it right now. I'm so cool that I'm rapping. My homies are come on, when I say shit on block, I'm motherfucking so shit on block. I'm gonna do this shit right now, I'm gonna do some shit. I'm gonna sell this walk, I'm gonna do it, yes. I'm gonna sell my shit, I'm gonna sell millions of hours. I'm gonna sell 3 millions of hours, I'm gonna do it, yes. I'm gonna make 3 millions of dollars, just like that. I'm gonna be able to, why not, yes. It's kinda crazy that I'm rapping, just like this. But I can fuck you, and that's what's enjoyable me. I can do it for sure. I'm gonna stop it when I rap, because I'm real now, and I can fuck the shit, yes, I can do it for sure. I can freestyle like this, no one can stop me. I'm freestyling the beat, I can do it, yes. I'm unstoppable when I rap. My imagination doesn't go wider than that. I can rap though, I can make it into a motherfucking game. By rapping always and by doing it, yes. I can do it for sure. I can dish all the fucking rappers to link me. Like Game of the Bros, I can do it. And this is my style, that I can rap like this. I can rap for sure. I can make it in this game. But making other niggas make it in this game, I can't do it, but I cannot, no. I can fuck with myself. And nobody can stop me from doing it. I can do what I want. Nobody can stop me, hope. Not even you. I can do it for sure. I can do it and I can make it in this motherfucking game, home. Just like this I can. Nobody can stop me from rapping. I'm really the highest rapper in the beat. I can do it for sure. I won't stop. I won't stop till I die. Until I die, yeah, I won't. I can do it for sure. Just like this. You know it's funny that I'm still doing it.